Welcome back, everyone. Imagine you've launched a business and everything seems to be going well. Then one day, you receive a legal notice claiming you have used someone else's intellectual property without permission. Suddenly, your hard work and reputation are at risk. In this lecture, we will focus on how to avoid intellectual property infringement. Understanding these common pitfalls and learning proactive strategies can save you from costly legal battles and help you maintain ethical business practices. In this lecture, we will understand what constitutes intellectual property infringement, learn common mistakes businesses make with IP, discover strategies to prevent IP-related legal issues. Let's talk about what is intellectual property infringement. IP infringement occurs when someone uses another person's intellectual property without authorization. This can involve copying, distributing, or profiting from protected trademarks, copyrights, patents, or trade secrets. Examples of infringement include using a logo similar to another company's trademark, selling a product that copies a patent design, reproducing copyrighted content without permission, disclosing a competitor's trade secret. Now, this is very important and you must keep this in mind. Common pitfalls leading to IP infringement. Using images or content without permission, downloading photos or text from the internet and using them for marketing or branding without proper licenses, neglecting trademark searches, failing to verify whether a business name, logo, or slogan is already trademarked, overlooking licensing agreements, misusing licensed software, music, or content beyond the agreed terms, ignoring patent protections, creating or selling a product that closely resembles a patented invention without conducting a patent search. Failing to train employees. Employees may inadvertently use unauthorized materials or share sensitive information. Let's talk about some important strategies to avoid IP infringement. Conduct thorough searches. Trademarks. Before launching a brand, search trademark database to ensure your name, logo, or slogan isn't already registered. Patents. Conduct a patent search to ensure your product or design does not infringe on existing patents. Obtain licenses. Always purchase or obtain licenses for images, software, music, or other copyrighted materials you intend to use. Use original content. Create your own images, text, and design whenever possible to avoid relying on external sources. Educate your team. Train employees about IP laws and best practices to ensure compliance. Sign NDAs. Use non-disclosure agreements to protect trade secrets and ensure sensitive information does not leak. Consult legal experts. When in doubt, seek advice from an IP attorney to verify compliance with laws and regulations. Legal penalties. Courts can order you to pay damages, legal fees, or royalties. Reputational damage. IP lawsuits can harm your brand's reputation, leading to loss of customer trust. Business disruption. You may be required to halt production or withdraw products from the market. Beyond avoiding legal issues, respecting others' intellectual property is an ethical responsibility. It fosters innovation, fairness, and trust in the business ecosystem. Think of intellectual property like borrowing a neighbor's tools. If you take them without asking, you may damage the tools, strain the relationship, or even face legal consequences. Similarly, using someone's IP without permission can have far-reaching impacts. Always ask for permission and follow the proper channels when using others' work. It protects both parties and ensures mutual respect. Research a case where a business was accused of IP infringement. Summarize the case and explain what could have been done to avoid the issue. Create a checklist for avoiding IP infringement in a small business. Include steps like conducting trademark search and obtaining licenses. Avoiding intellectual property infringement requires vigilance, research, and a commitment to ethical practices. By understanding common pitfalls and taking proactive steps, you can protect your business and maintain a positive reputation in the marketplace. Now, let's discuss if there are specific areas of IP infringement prevention you would like me to elaborate on. Share your thoughts in the comment section. This marks the end of this lecture here. See you in the next one.